kids! It's me, Minnie Mouse! I'm so excited to be here with all of you today. Guess what? While you're watching this video, I thought I'd tell you some silly, funny, and absolutely wonderful things about me and my friends. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you know I absolutely love polka dots? My closet is full of them. I have dresses, bows, even my pajamas are covered in dots! But here's a funny story. Once Mickey tried to surprise me with a stripe bow. Stripes. Can you imagine? He thought he was being so clever, but I told him, Mickey, sweetie, polka dots are the way to my heart! Speaking of Mickey, do you know he once tried to bake me a cake? Now, Mickey's amazing at so many things, but baking? Oh dear, he forgot to add sugar. It tasted like cardboard. He said it was a modern recipe, but I think he just forgot. We laughed about it for days. And have you ever met my friend Goofy? Let me tell you, he's the goofiest friend anyone could ever have. One time, he showed up to my picnic wearing two different shoes. And the best part, he didn't even notice. He just kept saying, "These shoes sure feel funny." Well, Goofy, they weren't even the same size. And Donald Duck, oh goodness, he's always full of surprises. Do you know what happened last week? We had a karaoke night, and Donald decided to sing. Let's just say, he's a little unique in the singing department. He sang a love song to Daisy Duck, and instead of her blushing, she burst out laughing. Donald's face turned as red as his bow tie. Before I go, here's something to think about. If you could spend a whole day with any one of my friends, who would you choose? All right, bye-bye for now. Stay curious and see you next time.